Yay! Another wonderful work day concluded. Good times, good times. Now I get the wonderful exercise of navigating this fine city's traffic. Oh, splendid. There are too many people in this city. At least where I used to live, the small town of Ironton, Ohio. More specifically, I used to live in the village of Hanging Rock, Ohio, also known as the speed trap of Route 52. Yeah, there's so few people living there, that's pretty much the only thing the police get to do is pull over speeders out on the highway all day. Yay. Yeah, lived about 3 miles out from the main highway, out a nice windy country road. Top of a hill. It's woods all around. Nice and quiet. No street lights. Yeah, pretty much the only sounds you did hear was the sound of crickets and the occasional mooing of cows up on the hill. I miss those days. Eventually, I want to get back to that locale if I can. Well, not Ironton specifically, but get away from this urban environment and back out in the country. Maybe get a farm going on my own. That'd be nice. Nice big garden. Yeah. A few horses for Amy, because she loves the equestrian things. Yeah. And get solar panels, wind turbine, a few other things to make a nice self-sustainable homestead. That would be the life. But unfortunately, that all takes money that I just do not have. And likely never will have. Not the way things have been going. Yeah. I'd say I'm pretty much just going to be stuck in this town for a long time. May not ever get out of it. Yeah. Such as it is. Just going to have to live with it. Although the outlook is looking a little better. Well, it is 2019, so got the whole year ahead of me. Definitely looking forward to getting back on riding a bike. Just haven't done that in almost a year either. I do got to get my auxiliary fuel tank put back on, as it had a small pinhole leak on the left side weld. I think when it got polished, they polished a little bit too much off of the weld, and you know where the weld pool is, it got a micro crack in it. So I got a little bit of gasoline seeping through. But I sealed the tank, and with the I guess it's kind of like a urethane coating. I'm not really sure precisely, but I'm trying to think of the name of that stuff. It's the end of it's got like KOT at the end of it. I don't know, I'd have to look at the can, but pour it in, slosh it around, get a nice even coating on the tank. Wait till it dries. Throw a second coat on if you feel like. Well, actually, it's recommended that you coat it twice. And that pretty much takes care of your leaks, or at least it's supposed to. Don't know. Never used this stuff, so I'm going to give it a try out. And really, I don't need the auxiliary tank on the Bergman. The fuel efficiency is pretty decent. You know, around upper 40s, low 50s. But then again, if I'm out tooling around in the country away from gas pumps, I don't have to worry myself over whether or not I'm going to run out of fuel just exploring. Oh, there's that little convenience. Of course, I got to get myself up to actually going and exploring again. Just to get over this anxiety spell that I still have lingering from last year. And the whole medically induced PTSD, I guess that's what I'll call it. And I can't really get any help for it since I can't afford the therapy. And insurance isn't going to pay. Yay. Fun times all around. Yeah. As you guessed by now, I'm a bit of a pessimist. Yeah. It's kind of the way of life for me. Just the way it is. And since today is Friday, I get to go and check my, well, not my, but our P.O. box today. So I haven't checked it all week since purchasing it Friday. Maybe things in there, may not be. I don't know. It's a mystery. Man. This work route is exceptionally exciting to take day in, day out. Oh, yes. Wonderful. Absolutely riveting. But it still is the quickest way home and to work. So that's why I take it every day. Maybe I'll change it up during the summertime on my way home. Of course, I usually don't get off until 4 or 4:30, so by the time I'd actually have the time to go out and just run around, you know, I got to be in bed by 8 or 8:30, because I got to be up early every day. Doesn't leave a whole lot of time to get things done in the evening. So yeah, so that's why I don't really get out a whole lot these days. Well, or any day really. Because then the weekends are pretty much the only time I have free to have the entire day to myself to do stuff. But then again, I guess it's just like everybody else. Go to work, do the day, get off work, come home, do what you can during the evening, repeat in the morning. Oh, goody. It's kind of a weird way to tie up a dog. They've got it like, got a line like strung between two trees, and then the harness like tied to the line, and it's like way up in the air. My dog's just kind of sitting there, you know. What the heck? Okay, but just put a line like a lot lower than that. Seems kind of weird to me. So, I don't know, whatever. People do strange things. things, and this city is definitely no exception of that. So yay, I am at the post office. Let's see what is in this P.O. box of ours. See you in a bit. Well, just check the old P.O. box, and sadly, no mail today. Oh well. Sure we'll find some in there eventually, but just not at the moment. Of course, it's only been a week since we got it and or posted the fact that we have a P.O. box. So I would expect there not to be a whole lot in there just yet. A new restaurant. Another fried chicken place. Well, if it isn't a chili place, it's fried chicken. Cincinnati staples. The 5-way chili and fried chicken. Dang it. I started talking about food, now I'm hungry. Never fails. Oh, great. And now there's a billboard with a giant sliced pizza on it. Oh, thanks. Curse you, Papa John's. And your tasty looking signage. Monkey see, monkey want. I am forever a commercial sheep. Brainwashed on fancy imagery and sparkly packaging. I'm almost home, so I am signing off, and I will see you all later.